What's up everyone? Welcome back for another money-making video on legit internet income. Today is going to be huge. We're talking about 5 secret websites that can help you rake in some serious cash online. And no, this isn't your typical Amazon, Turk or Fiverr gig. These are legit platforms that can make a real difference in your bank account. But before we dive in, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Drop a ready in the comments if you're serious about making money online. Alright, enough chit-chat, let's get this money. First up is respondent.io. This site pays you for sharing your thoughts in online research interviews. We're talking real money. Step 1, head over to respondent.io and sign up. It's free and easy. Step 2, fill out your profile in detail. Choose either industry professional or general consumer for the best opportunities. Step 3, start applying for studies. Some studies pay anywhere from $50 to $300 per hour. Imagine getting paid $150 for 45 minutes of your time. So, would you try respondent.io? Drop a yes in the comments if you're ready to get paid for your opinions. Let's move on to the next one. Next up, UserTesting. Get paid to test websites and apps and give your honest feedback. Sign up on UserTesting.com, take a sample test, and start receiving invitations. Each test takes about 20 minutes, and you get $10. That's $30 an hour. Stay active on the platform for more opportunities. Ready to get paid to be a website critic? Drop a emoji in the comments. Let's keep going. Chapter 3. Prolific. Ditch those spammy surveys. This one pays. Prolific partners with universities and researchers for real, thoughtful feedback. They pay $5 to $15 per survey. Head over to prolific.co, create your account, and fill out your profile. Be honest and detailed for more survey opportunities. You'll start receiving notifications for new surveys. These surveys cover interesting topics and value your time. Dedicate a couple of hours a day and make over $100. New surveys pop up early in the morning, so set your alarm. Have you tried making money with surveys? Type survey in the comments. Let's move on to the next one. Ready for more? Chapter 4. Skooli. Turn your knowledge into cash with online tutoring. If you love helping others and making cash, Skooli is for you. Sign up on Skooli.com, get verified, and start tutoring. Set your own rates and get paid per minute. You can make $25 to $80 per hour. Tutor from home, set your own hours, and help students. What are you waiting for? Head over to Skooli.com and start tutoring. Let me know if you're a natural-born teacher. Type tutor in the comments. Let's move on. Chapter 5. Kajabi. Create and sell online courses like a boss. Kajabi helps you turn your knowledge into a thriving online business. Sign up on Kajabi.com. Choose a topic and start creating your course. Kajabi makes it easy to record videos and upload resources. Price your course at whatever you want. Just a few sales can help you hit your $200 per day goal. Start small and build up to more comprehensive offerings. Take action and share your knowledge with the world. Would you create an online course? Type course in the comments. Let's wrap this up. And there you have it, folks. 5 secret websites to make serious bank online. No more excuses. The opportunities are out there. Respondent.io can pay up to $300 per hour. UserTesting can pay $30 per hour. Prolific can pay up to $15 per survey. Skooli can pay up to $80 per hour. Kajabi can help you earn $200 per day with course sales. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment below. If this video helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe to Legit Internet Income for more tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Now go out there and make that money.